Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Sketchcasts. In today's episode we're going to recreate the GitLab logo, this little fella, this raccoon fella here, in Sketch. And we're going to do that by using the new boolean operations which were introduced in Sketch 52, the latest update. So these allow us to combine shapes but still be able to edit the individual components in each one of them. So I can combine these two shapes here, but as you can see, I'm still perfectly able to edit the individual parts. So this will allow us to create complex combined shapes, icons, or illustrations, which were harder to do to this point. So in this video, we're going to apply all of this knowledge in reproducing the GitLab logo. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay, so let's kick things off. First, I want to create a triangle shape for one of the sides. So I'm going to start with the left side, and first I'm going to use a triangle, and I want to get the overall size of this by hand, and then start adjusting things. So first I'll try to rotate this, and let's see if we get the shape with the correct size, more or less. Then maybe 108. Let's increase this a bit. Okay, this looks correct. And now we can take our shape and do these adjustments so that we have the correct size as the GitLab logo. So let me see. Okay. What's great about the vector tools in Sketch is that we can individually control each point. So I can go here to this corner and adjust the radius, and this can be different from the other corner. So let's adjust this, maybe 10 or 9. Yeah, 9 should be enough. And we can tweak this corner as well. So now our side of the logo looks exactly how we want it. So now let's duplicate this, and if we rotate it, we have the other side ready. Okay, so now I want to create another shape here. So let's go to Shape Triangle, and we're going to try to make the head of our raccoon, or the face. So now I can flip this and adjust the opacity a bit so that we see what we are doing. And we can adjust this slightly so that it looks like like the face of the raccoon. So let me try to adjust this a bit. Okay, it looks better. So I think we have everything we need to create the head. So let me duplicate all of these and duplicate this again, and you'll see why in just a bit. Okay, now I want to work on the head for the raccoon. So I'm going to merge some of these shapes into just one shape. You can do that by dragging these layers in the sidebar. And next I want to create a shape for the stripes in the raccoon face. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the vector tools in Sketch by selecting these two layers and subtracting them. So now I have one of the sides, and I can also select these two, and I can intercept them and get a different shape. So now I've got one shape for one of the sides and one with the stripe. All of this by intercepting and merging these different shapes, which is a nice addition in Sketch 52. So now we can start working on the colors and wrap this up. And all of this with just these three shapes. So let me color this a bit. And we can adjust this. So nice addition of Sketch 52. Very powerful. We can just put these two here. And that's it. We got our raccoon logo going for GitLab. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. learn more about these new additions in Sketch 52. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.